Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials active. Install a reputable GPS tracking app or enable the phone's native tracking service. Once installed, sign in and verify your account so the device can send location data. Make sure you grant location permissions set to always and allow background activity, otherwise updates stop when the screen sleeps. Also disable battery optimization for that app so the system doesn't pause it. Now that permissions are set, move to configuring update frequency and accuracy settings. Once done with permissions, you focus on how the phone reports position. Choose high accuracy or GPS only if you need precise coordinates. GPS uses more power but gives best results. Make the app update every 5 to 30 seconds for near real-time tracking or stretch to 1 to 5 minutes to save battery. Then configure geofences and alerts so you get notifications when the device enters or leaves zones. Finally, add trusted viewers and set sharing options. Limited access reduces privacy risk. You finish by validating everything. Run a short live test and confirm the position updates on a second device or web dashboard. Make sure you secure the account with a strong password and two-factor authentication, and only share access with trusted contacts. Backup settings, or export tracking history if the app supports it. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is to re-enable location services and background refresh, reboot the phone, and confirm cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. That usually restores updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.